Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to reset AOL Mail forgotten password. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, you need to go to the browser and type AOL.com in the search bar and press enter. Now type your username, email or number and click on next. After doing, click on Forgot Password. Now it will take you to the screen where you have the option to receive a text, receive a phone call, or email a code. Let's select the email a code option. Now log into your Gmail account. AOL verification code is right there, so click on it. And copy that code. Go back to the AOL screen and enter the code by pasting it and hit the Verify button. Now you have the option to create a new password. Create a new one and log in. After doing so, it will take you to the inbox. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.